So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download MACI ZenFox RTX 5070 till 16G Sunburn and 3X OS graphic card driver download. Okay, so open any browsers to search like that and then click to this, okay, which is officially website www.maci.com. Just right click to new tab, then click to support, select the driver. So you can see this is automatic and this is manual. So first try to automatic. If in getting some issues, so then try to manual. Okay, so first click to driver download. You just try click on the download now, it will start automatically. After that you can see this is ready to start the downloading of this automatic setup. Then click to yes. So it will detect your graphic card and manual install it. Okay, and if you coming some error, so try to manual. Okay, this is, you just click to manual. It will detect automatically. You can see change your operating system, which is using Windows 10 11. So no worry, when you download any, so you can install any operating system. Okay, then click to search it. So you can see there are two type of driver showing here. So first of all, this is gaming. So if you are using your system for the gaming, so you can get download this. If you are using for studio and other, so can get this. Okay, so install to manual. So just click to sim manual. It will show the model number. Okay, and select operating system which is using Windows 10 and 11. After that, click to search. So you can see this is two type driver, which is gaming ready driver and second studio. Okay, so just click to download. After that, next to install it. Okay, all the driver installations process same. Just click to download like that. It will start automatically. Okay, after that, click to download now. You can see this downloading. So after 4 to 5 minutes will complete it. I show you how to download. Okay, after that it is completed, just single click. Then this is NVIDIA packet launcher, then click to yes, then click to OK. Now this is extracting to data your system for the download the driver. This is process of the manual. Now this is detect your driver, and next one install after, then restart your system. Okay, this is 5 step to complete. Thank you.